Good morning, students. We have studied about money and money creation of money and banking chapter. Now we will discuss about the central bank and its function. The central bank. What is central bank? Every country have one central bank. Do you know? The central bank is an apex bank that controls the entire banking system of a country. In India, it is done by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Means Reserve Bank of India is the Central Bank of India. RBI was established on 1st April 1935 in accordance with the provision of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Initially, it was privately owned and its central office was in Calcutta, but was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937, and the governor of RBI sits there, its headquarters is there. This central bank, RBI, was nationalized in 1949, and from 49 it is owned by Government of India. Now, what are the functions of central bank? What are the functions of RBI in India? First, bank of issuing notes, government bank, bankers bank, and supervisory role. Lender of the last resort, custodian of foreign exchange, clearing house function, control of credit. Now we are discussing in detail. First function is bank of issuing notes. RBI have authority to issue notes in India. In every country, the central bank of that country has exclusive right on issuing notes. This is called currency authority function of central bank. In India, RBI have currency authority function. RBI issues notes of denomination 2 and above, and the governor of RBI signs on behalf of government. He promised to give the money equivalent to that value. Second function is government bank. Yes, central bank is the banker, agent, or financial advisor of government. In India, RBI is banker, agent, or advisor of government. Being banker of government, it manages all the accounts of government. Being agent of the government, it buys and sells security on the behalf of government, different type of securities. It forms policies to regulate the money market as an advisor of the government, control money supply. Its third function is bankers bank and supervisory role. Yes, central bank, as you know in definition, central bank is an apex bank which control banking system of the country. So it is bankers bank also. All bank have their deposit in RBI, like the public have their account in commercial banks. So all commercial banks have their account in RBI. RBI accepts deposits from commercial bank and offer them loan. RBI provide them clearinghouse facility. RBI ensure that commercial banks shows compliance to its directives given by time to time and maintain CRR, SLR, cash reserve ratio and statutory legal ratio. Lender of last resort. Yes, this function is also important, very important. If a commercial bank fails to get financial accommodation from anywhere, it approaches the central bank as a last resort. Central bank can advance loan to that bank against approved securities. By offering loan in such emergencies, central bank ensure that the banking system of the country do not suffer any setback. Money market remains stable, mean that should not be unstable. And next function is custodian of forex. Every country used to deal business with other countries, and every country store foreign currencies, foreign exchange. Our country also. In India, RBI is the custodian of forex, foreign exchange. Here, right, foreign exchange. RBI is the custodian of India's foreign exchange reserve. It also exercise manage floating rate, which will be discussed in chapter BPO. And next function is clearinghouse function. Yes, it is the main function. It controls cash flow. Clearinghouse function, bank, RBI perform the function of clearinghouse to avoid transfer of cash between bank and reduce cash requirement. We can know that if bank A receive, suppose bank naming X receive a check of 5,000 rupees and on bank Y receive the check of rupees 6,000 on bank X. So banks X and Y have their account with the central bank. The checks of both are cleared through their account with the central bank, and this is how the central bank acts as clearinghouse. So it controls the transfer of cash between different banks and reduce cash requirement. It control of credit also. Yes, it controls the supply of money in economy. It implies increase and decrease in supply of money in the economy by regulating creation of credit by commercial banks. Supply of money is reduced during inflation. If supply of money is reduced during inflation, then the excess money will not be in market, and inflation will be controlled. And in same way, supply of money is increased during deflation. So people have more money they can purchase, they can increase their power capacity, purchasing power, and we can control the deflation. So we will discuss this in next point. Now we have to know difference between the central bank and the commercial bank. Yes, the central bank is apex bank of the country and accept deposit from commercial bank and advance loan to them. Commercial bank accept deposit from public and offer loan to them. Central bank regulate money supply. Commercial bank contribute to money supply by the way of credit creation. Central bank is the custodian of forex reserve, foreign exchange. Commercial bank deals sale and purchase of foreign exchange for profit but not custodian. Central bank is not issuing authority but commercial bank not. Central bank focus on growth and stability of economy, but commercial bank focus on profit maximization. Let's recall and revise the exercise, the chapter. Who control the entire banking system of India? Think SBI, PNB, PMO, RBI. Next question, who signed the 1 rupee note in India? Governor of RBI, Prime Minister, Finance Minister, Finance Secretary. Money supply is blank plane by RBI to control inflation. Which word come? Increase or decrease? Define central bank, currency authority function. When was RBI established? Name the person, 8%, who signed on the paper note of rupees 10 in India. Who supervises the commercial banks in India and how? Explain this function. RBI sells the securities on behalf of Government of India. Why? Explain it. Explain the functions of central bank in detail. Differentiate the central bank and commercial bank. Thank you. We will discuss about credit control in next video. Thank you. That's all.